Hi guys, so we've just finished up our logical operators. We're going to move on to conditional operators. Now, we're going to do this by creating just two strings. String me equals my name is, and you can enter whatever your name is or just what I do, and close that brackets. Sorry about that. I'll do another string as well. Oh, I was about to do sting then. I'm going to call this one no. I'm going to set no on it equal to this is wrong. I'm going to do this on another line just to make sure that you guys do realize and do remember that you can do this. We're going to run a couple of string string. We're going to call this one test. Now this is where we're going to build our first conditional operator. Now in here we're going to do 4 is greater than 2, and then question mark, which tells us that it's a conditional operator. We're going to do me, double dots, it's not the semicolon, it's the other one. It's on the same key. Hold down shift where you'd normally, and the line and all that, sorry about that. I'm just drawing a blank on this name. And we're going to do no, close that. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to just create an int x equals, we're going to build another conditional operator, 3 greater than or equal to 4. Then on the condition, then we're going to give it our 2 results and 2. Okay, so what we're going to do first is just going to run out the sorry about this, I've got a bit of a cold, I guess. Hope it's not going to affect the recording too much, but we're going to just run the integer x and we'll see what happens. Wait, there we go. I've returned a process of 3. Now, what our condition is, if 3 is less than or equal to 4, we'll then do the little, we're then determining the condition under which circumstance these two things, these outputs display. Now because 3 is less than or equal to 4, and we're conditioning it, we only use, basically it's sort of like binary, so we've got 1s and 0s, and in here we've got the divider. So if the answer is correct, which it was, we're going to run 3. If the answer was incorrect, we're going to run 2, which would be 0 in another case. Now I'm going to change this around to 1, and we'll run this just to show you that it's doing exactly what I've told it to. There we go, it's now at 2. So 3 is not less than 1 or equal to 1. So we're going to test the condition, and 2 output results, 3 or 2. We know 3's for a correct answer, but we haven't got a correct answer here. We need to go to the incorrect answer, or the 0 in this case, which is 2. Now I'm just going to delete this. We don't need it, I hope. We're going to run C out, and we're going to run test now. So basically, what I was going to make 2 mistakes, because 1, we don't have a string called test, and 2, text, and there we go. My name is Chris. So 4 is greater than 2. So on the condition that 4 is greater than 2, we're running me, which would be our 1 value because it's correct. And if we were to have 2 is greater than 2, we know it's not true. That will tell us that this is wrong. So this is just a basic starting point for it. We can obviously, in conditional operators, use much more detail, and I'll try to show you a bit more of that in the coming videos. I think I'll introduce you to the C. How to deliver input to your computer, because we've already done this in our C tutorials about Tut 4, but in C++ we're up to about 17 or 18 and we still haven't done it. So I'll let you guys go. Come back to me next week and we will move on to getting ready to do some input. And I just think that we kind of need it. So I'll see you later. Remember to like and subscribe, and good luck.